Today we're in our local market where we can find an abundant source of ingredients and different kinds of food. We can also find the bodies of dead animals. We're not here for that today, actually we're here for some watermelon. Sawadee krap. Tao krap.
But why do I want a watermelon? Well, I saw going around online this thing about watermelon steak, and I thought it sounded absolutely disgusting. So I thought I'd try it for myself and see whether it is disgusting, because if it's not, we got a 50-calorie steak on our hands. And you know, I'm all about losing the calories. So let's make it. So I guess really what we want is a seedless watermelon, but since I don't really know if they exist, we got a regular one. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna flip him over, just like that. And we're gonna make as many rectangles as we can while I lean over my camera. You know what? You put that on a plate, people think it's a steak. And if you want, you can keep these seeds, grow a little watermelon yourself. It's a little bit like picking your nose, you know, when you got like a really, like you put your finger in your nose and you push the bogey inside further, and it's just more difficult. But you know, you're bigger than the bogey, so you're always gonna win in the end. Actually, you know what? The white bits, it's like fat and stuff, right? This could be useful actually. We leave some white parts on just for aesthetics, you know. Next thing we're gonna need is some paper towels. Apparently we're gonna pat them dry, despite the fact that they're literally watermelons. There's no way. Oh, you know what? That looks dry. No, you know what? You know what? I was wrong. There may be some environmental concern here about using all of these kitchen towels and stuff like that. But if you eat a cow, like, you clearly don't give a shit about the environment anyway, let's be honest. Now we gotta put these in the fridge. Now we gotta put these in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours. I guess because the fridge air is dry. There's nothing in the fridge because I'm going on holiday tomorrow. So that's pretty cool. Usually it's got lots of fruits and veg in it. And now we just wait for 2 hours. While we're waiting, we might as well make the marinade. Apparently 2 tablespoons of oil is okay in this recipe, but I mean, like, vegans have got to get the saturated fat somewhere, haven't they? We've got ½ a teaspoon of liquid smoke. It's a little bit expensive, this stuff, but it goes a really long way. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, Italian herbs. Chuck that garlic in. Don't want to forget that. Oh, now we've got stinky fingers. If you miss whisking your scrambled eggs, just make a watermelon steak and hope it's not disgusting. I genuinely thought this was going to be like a healthy alternative to steak, and now I'm just absolutely covering my watermelon in oil. It probably is healthier than like eating part of a cow, but I just thought it would actually be a healthy thing to eat. And chuck that lot back in the fridge for 30 minutes. That's mango, that is. It's not, it looks like a bag of puke. It's not. It's just chopped up mango in a bag, because that's just how you buy it here. In the, you know, buy it in the street. Actually, it's browning a little bit. That looks pretty cool, actually. Okay, well, they look good, but they are still watermelon, so let's give it a taste. Look at that. It looks like watermelon, but you know what, it's kind of a cool color. I think it's gotten more red. And I was thinking about it, and I think that the heat may have like caramelized the sugars inside, so we'll see. That's disgusting. Oh, wrong. It's really nice. You want to try? Come try it.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Give me a bag.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
Presentation, how it looks, that's a 10 out of 10. It looks gangster, but leave me alone with the taste. Miss me with that. But we tried something new, and that's what's most important. And now we have one more experience in our lives. Not many people know that cooked watermelon is disgusting, but I do. So, out of all of this, I come out of this more knowledgeable. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I know this is very different to my usual content, but I still hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually not at home right now, I'm on holiday. So I wanted to get this done last week, so I needed something that I could do quickly, so I could have something out for this week. If you did like this video, make sure you comment, let me know. Send me good wishes, it's always lovely. And other than that, subscribe, comment, like, and I don't know, just take care of yourselves. Have a nice day. Go do something nice.